In the competitive world of Etsy, standing out is crucial for success, and that's where SEO comes into play. Search engine optimization helps Etsy sellers improve their visibility, ensuring that their products reach the right audience. With millions of listings, effective SEO can be the difference between a sale and being overlooked. Now imagine supercharging your SEO strategies with the power of AI. Artificial intelligence can analyze trends, optimize keywords, and even predict customer behavior, making your listings more appealing to potential buyers. In this video, we'll dive into actionable insights that will help you harness AI-driven SEO techniques to boost your Etsy sales. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting, these tips will empower you to elevate your shop's performance and attract more customers. Let's get started. To effectively navigate Etsy, it's essential to grasp the fundamental concepts of SEO tailored specifically for the platform. First, let's define some key terms. Keywords are the phrases potential buyers use to search for products, while tags are the specific labels you assign to your listings to help categorize them. Both play a crucial role in improving your shop's visibility. Next, product descriptions and titles are vital. They should be clear, engaging, and include relevant keywords to attract both customers and search algorithms. Lastly, customer reviews significantly impact your search rankings. Positive feedback not only builds trust with potential buyers, but also signals to Etsy's algorithm that your products are worth promoting. By understanding these basics, you can lay a strong foundation for your Etsy SEO strategy. In the quest for effective keywords, AI tools can be game changers. Popular platforms like Ahrefs and SEMrush offer powerful keyword analysis features that can streamline your research process. These tools allow you to explore a vast database of keywords, providing insights into search volume and competition levels. One effective strategy is to analyze your competitors' keywords. By examining what keywords are driving traffic to their listings, you can uncover valuable insights and identify gaps in your own strategy. Once you have a list of potential keywords, focus on selecting high-traffic, low-competition options. These are the keywords that can attract significant visitors without overwhelming competition. By leveraging AI tools for keyword research, you can enhance your Etsy listings and improve your chances of making sales. Enhancing your product listings on Etsy is crucial for attracting buyers, and AI can play a significant role in this process. First, high-quality images and compelling descriptions are essential. They not only showcase your products, but also help convey their value. AI tools can analyze your current listings and suggest improvements for titles and tags, ensuring they are optimized for search visibility. For instance, AI can recommend keyword-rich titles that resonate with potential customers. Additionally, consider implementing A/B testing for different listing strategies. By creating variations of your product listings, you can test which images, descriptions, or tags perform better. This data-driven approach allows you to refine your listings continuously, maximizing your chances of converting views into sales. With AI's assistance, you can create standout listings that capture attention and drive sales on Etsy. Understanding market trends is vital for Etsy sellers, and AI can provide valuable insights into consumer behavior and preferences. Tools like Google Trends and Trendalytics leverage AI to analyze vast amounts of data, helping you identify what products are gaining popularity. By examining this trend data, you can adapt your product offerings to align with current consumer interests, ensuring that your shop remains relevant. For instance, if you notice a surge in demand for eco-friendly products, you might consider introducing sustainable options in your inventory. Additionally, staying ahead of seasonal trends is crucial. AI can help you predict upcoming trends based on historical data, allowing you to prepare your listings in advance. By utilizing AI for market trends analysis, you can make informed decisions that enhance your Etsy sales and keep your shop thriving. Improving customer interaction and satisfaction is essential for any Etsy seller, and AI can significantly enhance these efforts. One effective tool is chatbots, which provide instant customer support, answering queries, and assisting with purchases 24/7. This immediate response can greatly improve the shopping experience and reduce cart abandonment. Additionally, AI insights can help you develop personalized marketing strategies, tailoring recommendations based on individual customer preferences and browsing history. This level of personalization makes customers feel valued and understood, increasing the likelihood of repeat purchases. Furthermore, follow-up emails play a crucial role in building customer loyalty. By using AI to automate and personalize these communications, you can remind customers of their purchases, suggest complimentary products, or offer exclusive discounts. By leveraging AI in these ways, you can create a more engaging and satisfying experience for your customers on Etsy. Tracking the effectiveness of your SEO strategies is crucial for ongoing success on Etsy, and utilizing analytics tools can provide valuable insights. Platforms like Google Analytics and Etsy's own shop stats allow you to monitor traffic, sales, and customer behavior, helping you understand what's working and what isn't. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, for Etsy sellers include metrics such as conversion rates, average order value, and traffic sources. By keeping an eye on these KPIs, you can gauge the effectiveness of your SEO efforts. It's essential to encourage regular adjustments based on the data insights you gather. If certain keywords or listings aren't performing as expected, don't hesitate to tweak your approach. By continuously measuring success and making informed adjustments, you can optimize your shop's performance and drive more sales over time. In summary, leveraging AI and SEO is essential for boosting your Etsy sales and standing out in a crowded marketplace. We've discussed how AI tools can enhance keyword research, optimize product listings, and analyze market trends, all while improving customer engagement. Remember, actionable steps like utilizing chatbots for support, personalizing marketing strategies, and regularly adjusting your SEO tactics based on analytics can make a significant difference in your shop's performance. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights like this video, and share it with fellow Etsy sellers. Together we can navigate the ever-evolving landscape of online selling and achieve greater success. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Subscribe for more Etsy AI tips.